Hey everyone, welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. You're in the right place if you're a dog lover looking to turn your passion into a paycheck. Today, we're diving into how to start a dog walking business step-by-step guide for beginners. Whether you're dreaming of being your own boss or just want to spend more time with furry friends, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's jump right in. First things first, research and planning are key. Start by checking out your local area. Are there a lot of dog owners? Is there demand for dog walkers? You can do this by searching online, joining local community groups, or even talking to dog owners at parks. Next, think about your business structure. Will you operate as a sole proprietor, or do you want to register an LLC? Don't forget to check local regulations. Some cities require permits or licenses for dog walking businesses. A little homework now will save you headaches later. Now let's talk money. Research what other dog walkers in your area are charging. Rates can vary depending on your location, but on average, dog walkers charge between $15 to $30 per 30-minute walk. Think about the services you want to offer. Will you do group walks, solo walks, or even overnight pet sitting? You can also add extras like feeding, grooming, or playtime for an additional fee. Pro tip: create a pricing sheet so you're ready to share your rates with potential clients. Your brand is how clients will remember you, so make it stand out. Start by choosing a catchy business name, something fun and memorable. Then create a simple logo and design business cards. Don't forget to set up a professional online presence. Create a website or even just a social media page where clients can find your services, rates, and contact info. Instagram and Facebook are great platforms to showcase your work with cute dog photos and happy client testimonials. Safety first. Dog walking insurance is a must. It protects you and the pets in your care. Look for policies that cover liability, accidents, and even lost keys. Also, stock up on essentials like leashes, poop bags, treats, and a first aid kit. Being prepared shows clients you're professional and trustworthy. And speaking of trust, consider getting certified in pet CPR or dog behavior. It's a great way to stand out from the competition. Now it's time to find clients. Start by spreading the word to friends, family, and neighbors. You can also post flyers at local vet offices, pet stores, and dog parks. Don't underestimate the power of online marketing. Join local Facebook groups, post on community boards, and ask happy clients to leave reviews. Word of mouth is huge in this industry, so always go above and beyond to keep your clients and their pups happy. And that's it. Starting a dog walking business is a fun and rewarding way to turn your love for dogs into a thriving career. Remember, it's all about planning, professionalism, and passion. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you'd start a dog walking business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.